But in chemistry, the mole, okay, the mole has a meaning. Okay, this is actually a quantity. Okay, this is actually a quantity. Okay, what is actually a mole in chemistry? Okay, we look at a mole in chemistry. 1 mole of substance contains 6.0 to the power of, okay, we can actually shorten this number to put as 6.02. Or if you look at a textbook, it is actually written as 6.022140 14076 to the power of 23 particles. Okay, then we go to the concept of particles. Okay, when we talk about particles, okay, we are actually referring to atoms, molecules, and ions. Okay, there's always a difference between atoms, molecules, and ions. Okay, we have to look at every one of it. So all the substance consists of either one. Not all of it, but either one. Either it is atom, either it is molecule, or either it is ion. Okay, for atomic substance, all metals and noble gas contains atom. Okay, noble gas are those gases that consist of one atom. Okay, for example, helium, neon, argon, krypton. All right, those are called noble gases. So this one we will do further in chapter 4. So metals, of course, are all metals that you can think of for say magnesium, zinc, calcium, okay, iron, okay, iron are also metal. Okay, now we go to the next part. Okay, so if you want to calculate the number of particles for substances that are made of mole, okay, 1 mole of magnesium have, okay, 6.0, I shorten this, 6.02214076, the power of 23 atoms. So 0.5 mole of magnesium, so you just times 0.5. Okay, this is not actually a formula, this is from your understanding. So if 1 means is this much, if you have a different value, you times with what the value is. Okay, so there's no fixed formula, it's just your understanding. Okay, next we go to molecules. Now molecules, if you look at the diagram, consists of different atoms. That means it must be made up of 2 or more atoms. Okay, minimum 2 atoms, can be the same ones. Okay, they can be different, or they can be made up of many same or different atoms. All right, so that's why I wrote here it consists of 2 or more similar or different. Similar means same, different could be different. All right, okay, now we have example. Okay, we take the example of carbon dioxide. Now 1 mole of carbon dioxide gas have, right, 6.022140076 the power of 23 molecules. Now this value will be given, meaning that you need to memorize, all right, this value. So we can say it in 2 ways. So 1 mole of carbon dioxide, like we know, consists of this much a molecule. So we know carbon dioxide is a molecule. So it is made up of 3 atoms, which is 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atom. So we can actually calculate the number of atoms. So if 1 mole of carbon dioxide gas have 6.022140076 the power 23 molecule, meaning that if you want to calculate the number of atom, you just times 3. Okay, 3 is because 1 molecule of carbon dioxide consists of 3 atoms. So you times 3. This is to calculate the number of atoms. Okay, the last part is on ionic substance. Now, ionic substance consists of units. Okay, this unit consists of iron. Now, what do I mean units and ions are? Unit means it's a single unit. Okay, so magnesium chloride consists of magnesium chloride unit. So these unit are made up of ions. Ions lah. Alright, so ions, you have a positive and negative ions. Okay, for example, 1 mole of magnesium chloride consists of 6.022, okay, 14076 to the power of 23 units. So, if we know each unit of magnesium chloride, okay, have 1 magnesium ion and 2 chloride ions, so what? 1 mole of magnesium chloride consists of 3 times. Okay, why is there 3 here? Because we already know each unit have 3 ions. Okay, so you must understand that ions are made up of positive and negative ions. So what is the total ion that make up a ionic substance? Okay, so what is the total? So if you know the total, you can find the number of ions. Alright, so that is all about the calculation on mole. So if you can understand the concept, you can get the concept of particles. Here, the most important part is getting to know or understand the concept of particles. Then you will be able to calculate the number of atoms, the number of molecules, the number of units, the number of ions. All right, that's all for today.